I'd like to welcome you to AscendSocial training videos, and we are going to focus on the general settings section of AscendSocial. We're going to be working in the social app settings submenu number 2, configuring the Tumblr app, which is how AscendSocial speaks to Tumblr. Now, as you can see, as always, we start with the home page of AscendSocial. We're going to click here and go to general settings. We're going to go to tab number 2. And we're going to go over here where it says select social media settings to configure. We're going to find the icon for Tumblr, and we're going to click on that. Now, as you can see, as before, this is the page that we're going to need the full information. Here we're going to be looking for a consumer key and a secret key. And like always, if you go to where it says Tumblr application, you click on here. As long as you already logged into Tumblr, if you click here, it will take you to the correct area where you can start configuring your Tumblr credentials within AscendSocial. So that's going to bring us right here. So which will happen here, you will click on this register application button, and that will bring up this page. Now, as you can see, I already filled out the various areas for this particular page for the interest of time, but we're going to go through it real fast. So we have the application name. We have the application website. Now, if you look right here, I got the application website from this particular tab. All I did was copy, and then I did a paste. We come down, and you're going to add application description. So I just said AscendSocial training, and this is the email address that I have associated with this account. And what says default callback URL, I went down here and I copied this particular URL and I pasted in that particular spot. At this time, I didn't upload a icon, so it shows the Tumblr icon here. And then all I had to do was, the first time you do this, you will see a little button that you have to check to show if you're a robot or not. So all we have to do is click on Save Changes, and we come right here, and we copy this string here, and that will be the consumer key. And then we'll come down here and it should say show. So we're going to copy that like so. We're going to place that here. And at this point now, we got all the information we needed from this particular account. So I'm going to expand this, and we're going to click here to apply extended permissions. And as you can see, everything is working as planned. We're going to click on allow. Thank you for authorizing. This will take you back to your dashboard. Now we want to go back to the general settings tab. We want to go back to tab number 2. We're going to go back over to Tumblr, and I choose to use the URL shortener, so I'll click here for Google, and then I click save. So now we have successfully set up our Tumblr account to interact with AscendSocial. I'd like to thank you. Bye for now.